Yo, it's real exhausting out here, man. Being on the run and shit. You know, I don't know if y'all ever done it before, but listen, you can't never call nobody you know. You can't never go no place that you've been before that you usually frequent. You know what I mean? This shit's real, you know what I mean? It's down and dirty right now. You know what I mean? You running from federal agents, motherfucking state officials, you know, public servants is supposed to help you out. Well, you know, they're not out here to help you out. They're out here to motherfucking shut your ass up. That's what they trying to do to me. You know, I just filed this reservation of rights, registered my trade name, try to file my financing statement. But, you know, the state of Delaware, you know, they got all white judges and they racist judges in their 60s and 70s, baby boomers. So what they trying to do is, you know, they trying to shut a motherfucker up. Don't let the world get out. I'm here to put y'all on the map right now. I'm here to let y'all know that every citizen out there, every free man has a right, you know, to file this paperwork. And every free man has a right to, you know, walk around without having to be judged or harassed by the motherfucking police. All right? Now I need y'all support. On Real Rap, I'm running low on funds. My account's been seized. I got cars I don't even drive right now because right now I'm fear of my life right now. State of Delaware and these federal agents. You know what I mean? I'm trying to tell y'all this shit is real. This shit's China deep. I don't know how, you know what I mean, how real y'all can get about y'all shit. But right now, I'm on the run till they recognize my motherfucking paperwork. You know, I'm a free man, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not saying that to say I'm above the government. What I'm trying to tell you is I'm equal as the government. They don't have my permission to put my name on the fucking paperwork after I registered rights for my name. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm trying to tell y'all is if you don't start standing up for your shit, the government and the state, wherever state you live in, they're gonna keep running on top of you. You know what I'm saying? And so Google sovereignty, Google free man, Google straw man. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not just coming up these words top of my head. I'm not throwing this shit out, pulling this shit out of a hat. I'm trying to tell you something. This shit is legit, real. It's dealing with, you know, corporate fictions and real life people, living, breathing souls. You know, people with souls. So you're talking about the government's putting this corporate fiction. They join in this corporate fiction with this real life person together, and that's called joinder. You know, Google joinder. That's when they try to make you go to jail for a corporation. They prosecute your corporation, but you go to jail for it because you're a surety for that corporation. Okay? So I want you to Google your shit, do your research, and I'll be getting back at you here soon. Once again, my name is Andre Woods. I'm on DE.gov for wanted persons. They trying to say I stole money, but how I steal money and the government owe me fucking millions of dollars. They trying to deny me right now. So get back at me. Once again, hit this PayPal. Yeah, because I'm hurt right now and I need the funds. I'm on a run right now. Hotel rooms cost, gas cost, tank don't ride on motherfucking air. So hit me up.